Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
I am going to tell you the production and retro pay. Before going into that, I will tell you about I have showed you this. This is now. Go to payroll. Payroll flow pattern. That's G. Continue. Payroll flow pattern. Oh. Taskful act. Okay. So this is the flow pattern multiple balances. I'm taking out the flow patterns. So this is a flow pattern that I have created for payroll calculation, pre-paid payment and multiple balances. Submit this right. Yeah. So we have submitted this. So now coming to what? Third-party and third-party organization payment methods. So third-party organization payment methods is what? We have to create a payment methods. To name them a few. How can we create a payment methods? Continue. Third-party payment methods. Third-party name is what? Cash or credit, whatever the party name that you have to write. Let me clear this. Check or cash. Okay, third party payment method means what is the organization name who's going to provide you the third-party payment method. From here, you going to get the payment right. Third-party payment methods. So I'm going to search the payment method as this is the organization that is going to give you the payment methods. I'm going to give you the payment method, so it can be cash or credit. All certificate OK. Why it is not coming? Okay. It's not coming. So just keep reading it. It's not coming. So it's created a third-party payment method. It will not accept actually. All the things is required. This is required field. Cancel this operation. So third party, you create a third party payment method. Okay. XYZ attach that third party payment method to this third parties. Now create a third party. Create your own third party organization. That is an organization or it's a person. So create an organization. So put some bargaining association, create a third party organization and create a third party organization. Actions create. So address, you can write here as Dallas, Texas. Give it OK. OK. And write here as Dallas, Texas, submit name as let's put third party. Write it down. Okay, now organization payment methods. You can take it from the OK. Okay. Submit it. So this is the way you can create a third-party payment method and attach a third-party organization and attach any payment methods over here. It will not accept until there's a payment method is there. And I don't know why it is not working. Why it is not working? I don't know. Okay, cancel. Go to the calculation one by one. I'll show you the relationship. Search for the person. Okay, you can get calculation card. So I have to create a calculation card for this person. I got the lead. So this is the calculation card. I'm going to create that. Okay, go to create actions, create. Without calculation cards, the payroll will not run. So it is there to payroll or time cards. It is there to payroll, right? So right here is payroll. Okay. Now calculation component details and triple calculation cards. So we can go to actions, create. Not coming. Action. Association. So calculation card, as you can see, it is mostly related to OK. OK. Not coming. Anyways, let's see. Okay, that's all for today. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.